Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm just gonna give a quick little review of the garden and what I have going on. There's a lot going on. A couple of days ago, I had a dream and I dropped a short on it about some things happening in the world that I just wasn't comfortable with. So it allowed me to wake up and jump back into my gardening a little bit more seriously than I was in the last season. So I got out here, I cleaned out one of my raised beds, and I dropped some more seeds. And this year, guys, the avocado is really acting up right now, like buds. I've never seen them this high before. So we're gonna be having a lot of avocados, and this is something that I want to share with my members. I share what I grow in abundance. So this is something that if they develop and they come the way that they're supposed to come, and I trap the squirrel or find a way to deter the squirrels from eating the avocados, then this is something that I would like to share with my members. Of course, we just got hit with the tariffs, and everything is going to be expensive. They dropped a list of all the things that are going to be a little bit more expensive in the stores. And of course, at the top of the list was avocados. Second on the list was citrus, which unfortunately, if you haven't seen the live, or if you haven't seen the short, I will be cutting the lemon tree. So I will be cutting the lemon tree. There's going to be more to the story, but I will be cutting the lemon tree. And I want to show you guys one of the reasons why I will be cutting the lemon tree. All right, guys. So last year or year before last, I had a video that said mess creates pest. And if you guys look at this right here, that is a lemon that the rind was completely eaten off of the lemon. So that is a lemon, and the rind is completely eaten off. In order for me to continue to grow my food and to preserve my food and to keep my food for me and my family, I'm gonna have to cut down this tree and figure out where the pests are coming from. So I have to narrow some things down. I've never had pest pressure like this before, and I figured out why it's probably the way it is, because my neighbors cut down their trees, their fruit trees that were high up, and so the pest would go up and eat the jujubes and all the other different fruits that they had, and they wouldn't come down. But now that those trees are gone, now they're coming down looking for food, and I need to find a way to curb that before they try to get into my house or anything of that nature. So I have to do a major pruning. The pomegranate tree has already been pruned. You saw that they attacked that. They attacked the avocado tree, and they attacked the tangerine tree, and then now they're attacking the lemon tree. So I have to get some major pruning going on, some major cutback and cutting of trees in order to clean up my mess that created pests. And if you guys have tasted these lemons before, you know that this truly hurts my heart, as much as it probably might hurt yours when you hear that I'm cutting back or cutting down the tree. Well, there's more to the story, but anyway, long story short. So for my members, if you would like a final box, I have 2 boxes that I want to send out to my members. I already have 1 box already boxed up for someone special, but I want to send out 2 boxes to my members. The first 2 members that say I run my lemons, first 2 members that says run my lemons in the comment, you'll get a box of lemons. So I want to say goodbye. I did a major harvest yesterday, guys. major harvest, and I will be doing a major harvest today, and that is what I'm going to be sending out after I release this video to the first 2 members that says run my lemons. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next videos. Matter of fact, I've done so much research on the lemon situation that now I feel like I have possums that come down at night and eat off the rinds of the lemon. So it's narrowed down to, I believe, possums. I knew it was squirrels on that side. So now for the lemons, it says that possums are the ones that love to eat the rind. I don't want them to come down and start eating dragon fruits and things of that nature. So this is a drastic measure for me. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.